How to get rid of belly fat safely and sustainably. Belly fat is closely associated with an increased risk of several diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, osteoarthritis, and a number of other diseases. Most people can completely lose excess belly fat through lifestyle changes, including following a healthy diet with plenty of protein, vegetables and fruits, and limiting sugary drinks. Alcohol, especially with regular exercise. Here are 7 effective tips to lose belly fat, backed by scientific studies. 1. Learn how many calories your body needs, not to recycle the old adage, but you really can't out-exercise a bad diet. To lose belly fat, and this goes for all body fat, you need to be in a calorie deficit. This means consuming fewer calories than you're expending through exercise and general living. When it comes to knowing how to lose belly fat, the best way to start is to watch what you eat, Belali says. When you digest large amounts of calories, your body allocates some of these to functional systems which work to keep you alive. Think the brain, muscles and organs, says Belali. It also uses it to fill up energy stores. Any excess is then stored in fat cells around the body, typically being those of the belly. To calculate a calorie deficit, peep our handy guide below. It'll help you work out how many calories you need to eat a day to hit your goals too. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods to reduce belly fat. It's not all about eating less. Music to our ears, we're sure you'll agree. Rather than simply cutting down on calories, you need to consider the kind of food you're consuming. In most cases, you actually have to eat a lot more nutrient-dense food to hit the same calorie count as processed ones. Belali suggests building meals around lots of nutrient-rich vegetables, a source of protein and some healthy, unprocessed carbs. Start with leafy greens such as spinach, kale and collard greens, then add carrots, broccoli and peas. Lean meats, including turkey and chicken, are ideal as they are lower in fat and therefore calories, or, if you are vegetarian, vegan, add in tofu or a handful of nuts such as pine, cashew or almonds and a sprinkling of seeds, sunflower, sesame, pumpkin. When it comes to carbohydrates, rice, quinoa and potatoes are perfect. Your best course of action is to make small, manageable changes, and figure out what's most sustainable for you. Remember, we're after long-term change, not short-lived tweaks. That said, cutting down on processed foods will likely help with water retention, so it's good news for anyone desperately searching for how to lose belly fat in a week. 3. Consider macro counting to lose belly fat. If you're a little more familiar with counting calories and want to fine-tune your fat loss efforts, it might be time to consider learning how to count and calculate your macros. Counting macros is a diet technique to make sure you're eating the right amounts of each macronutrient, protein, fat and carbohydrates. By tweaking the volume of each, you can make your fat loss efforts more efficient. This is because each macronutrient plays a different role in keeping our bodies ticking over. In broad strokes, protein helps to build and maintain muscle tissue, carbohydrates provide fast and slow release energy, and healthy fats support hormone function. Tweaking the volumes you eat can help build muscle and lose body fat more efficiently, as well as allowing you to reincorporate some of your favorite foods. Because you're looking at what makes up what you eat, foods that are less nutrient-dense can be incorporated, in moderation. All you'll need to do is work out how that impacts the rest of your day. Counting macros isn't for everyone, but it can be a helpful guide if you find counting calories too restrictive. 4. Increase your need to burn belly fat. We've been conditioned to think that super hard exercise is going to be the thing to help us lose belly fat. In fact, surprise, surprise, it's much more holistic than that. Instead of hammering the HIIT, keeping your nutrition, exercise and general movement in check are all important. Outside of gym workouts and home workouts, the movement you're doing walking to the shops, making a cup of tea or taking your pooch out to stretch their legs can contribute more to hitting your healthy fat loss goals. This is known as NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, and is a cornerstone of healthy body composition and increasing your metabolic rate. It also helps control your blood sugar, aid muscle recovery, lower stress levels and improve cardiovascular health. You can increase your NEAT by walking instead of taking public transport, opting for the stairs over the elevator, or doing household chores. 5. Ignore the best exercises for belly fat. Belly fat exercises and exercises to lose belly fat. Think smashing out crunches every day will get you abs like J-Lo. Think again. While crunches will help strengthen your abdominals and core muscles, they're not enough in isolation to burn calories, Luke Hughes, Origin PT says. Instead, Hughes recommends a rounded body weight or free weights workout routine done at high intensity as the best exercise to lose belly fat. These sessions will help to burn calories and increase muscle mass, which will, in turn, tap into your body fat stores, even within a limited time period. Do note though, too much HIIT can elevate cortisol, the stress hormone, in your body. Aim for 3 to 4 sessions per week and make sure you're allowing your body plenty of time and space to recover. Burning calories through cardio exercise like this helps to burn belly fat, particularly when we operate at a calorie deficit, says Hughes. Try adding star jumps and mountain climbers into your workouts. 6. Watch your stress if you want to lose stubborn belly fat. Stress may be an evolutionary response that helps keep us alive, says performance nutritionist and qualified dietitian, Tom Irving, but frequent and persistent doses can elevate cortisol levels, which is both inflammatory as well as antilipolytic, anti-fat burning. Why? Well, when we're in flight or flight mode, the body releases glucose, energy, into the blood to prepare you for a difficult situation, explains Catherine Rabest, dietitian and NHS dietetic manager. Once the adrenaline wears off, the blood glucose, energy, levels drop, leaving the brain to send signals of hunger and increasing appetite. This could be in the form of sugary cravings. It's completely normal. Often, this kind of stress is associated with unhealthy habits like emotional eating, not getting enough sleep, skipping meals, eating quick and accessible fast food, and exercising less, she adds, all of which can lead to unhealthy weight gain. Add a year plus of upheaval to the mix and you'll understand why this might be a period of time where you're finding it more difficult to lose body fat. This isn't something to beat yourself up over. It just means you may need to be more vigilant about managing your stress as much as you can by controlling what's controllable and reminding yourself that losing body fat needn't be your biggest priority right now. 7. Look at the quality of your sleep. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep, too. Yes, it can help combat under-eye bags, but, according to the University of Leeds, adults who get more than 6 hours of sleep per night are likely to carry 3 centimeters less around their waist. Head to bed, and eat your dinner earlier and follow the How to Get to Sleep guide to ensure a lack of shut-eye doesn't hold you back from losing belly fat. If you'd like to learn more and get a full natural belly fat program that will fit your busy schedule and life, check out our website or click the link in the description to get started. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel and share your belly fat journey in the comment section.